So basically, today most of my time I spent for building my own website, and I don't take all the credits of this website because there is a place called as Envato and Envato Market, and there you can buy templates for your WordPress. So what I did basically is I bought a great template which was suiting to my needs, and I modified it accordingly to my needs. So it's worth it. You must try it to build a beautiful website for yourself. So this is SHIVATHMAJ and this is my website. So you can have a look. Like I still have to, I can add a CV over here. This is how I work, and some of my skills, and some of my portfolio, work experience, then my charges as a freelancer, then some testimonials, then brands I worked with, and then my contact number. I think I never shared my contact details with anyone. So if you're watching this video, that means you can have a look at my number, but don't spam me. So that's pretty much about the video, and today basically, as soon as I woke up, we me and Rakshan went to gym, and then I had to focus on one of my internship, and after that my day was just like any other day. Like I work, and today in between I took a 1 hour nap, and that helped me a lot. And apart from that, to build a website in WordPress, I struggled a lot because I knew to purchase templates from Envato, but I didn't know how to upload it on WordPress. I just know the basic and little bit of advance of WordPress, but I didn't know how to use those templates and make our own beautiful websites. So basically, initially what you saw, that is my website, shivathmaj.com. You can like have a look. I still have to like fix many things in that, and apart from this I will be also making one more website for my brother Afi Kingdom, and that's about it. And from tomorrow, like I will organize many things. Tomorrow there won't be gym because of some reason, like my friend, and so I thought to invest that time somewhere else. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. It means a lot. Good night.